Push right all the way. Push both hallways.
I think it's a weaker side when we hit here because after that they have no movement.
It's your choice. I just.
All right, wait. So how many? So what's group? How many groups are we breaking up into? Two or?
We can break into groups of three.
Groups
Just
of three?
there's 4 groups. Groups of 3.
It's gonna be all of us versus
Three
them.
on the right, 3 here, and then 3 just.
Did we make the groups
What
yet?
you gotta do?
Not yet. Who wants to squad up and just? Anybody want to be squad leader or something?
I'll stick with my brother.
I'll take it.
I'll go with you guys.
Well, it's more of a team leader, but.
Yeah.
All
So.
right.
Here they come, Tony. You guys again this side?
All right, yeah. I guess we got this side. You guys get that side.
We're gonna hold this side down here, okay?
All right, no problem. So come with us. All right, come. Let's go. You gonna rock with us?
Yeah,
we need
I'll
to get. All right, let's go. This should be interesting.
You were moving down the hallway the other side?
Yeah, that was me last. Yeah.
So same way.
Yep. How was it, guys?
Sorry, I'll move in.
Alright, we're going around this way.
All right, let's go.
What's our goal?
Oh, nothing. It's just a regular team deathmatch.
Alright. So we're gonna move up that way.
All right, no
We
problem.
got this side covered.
My team?
We got this side covered.
Sorry. Sorry.
Go. You have it. I got you. Yeah, get back on when you're reloading.
You'll watch this direct door though.
Yeah. Yo, he's flashing the light from this direction.
Is that one of our lights or one of theirs?
That's one of their lights. That's them. All right, what's going on? We moving forward?
Yep.
All right. Okay, I got your back. Well done.
There's a guy on the other side of this building.
Huh?
There's a guy on the other side of this building.
All right.
Sorry, I'm trying to shoot over here. There's a guy peeking out from behind like this little thing.
Yeah, he's out. I got him.
Nice. I need to watch these windows from the
Yeah.
church.
Standing. Camera, go low. I'm going low.
I don't see anyone.
Yeah. You guys want to move this way and flank them?
You guys want to go in?
Yeah, let's go. I got you covered. We're flanking them. Hey, man.
You get hit?
Wait. Two in there. Bang, bang.
Same side?
Yeah. Look, what we're going to do is we're going to go through that door again. I want to see if we can come all the way around and flank them. Let's go. Gotta move quick. There's a guy right behind you. It's all right. Go for it. Bang, bang. My bad.
Yo.
I got 3 guys in here.
Yeah, I banged those guys. I don't know if they left though.
They didn't leave.
They didn't?
Didn't leave?
No, I got them.
You wanna go again?
I obviously.
Let's go again, all 3 of us. They can't deny it.
Go. Someone.
Here, someone go low, I go high.
Don't go yet, because there's guys aiming this hall. Hold on.
I got you!
Now stay in. I know you got him, but stay in.
Yo, you must have this kid, ready?
Huh?
You must have.
Here, go low, I go high. There's a guy in that building. Yo, can you help me light this guy up? Cause on this side, he's through this door. He's not calling it, so. See if we can light him up. You see that? You see that little hole, right? Whoa. Look, there's two guys. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Right down the middle. They won't catch him.
You okay?
Yeah.
You alright?
Okay, who wants to ride show? Huh? Who wants to run the ride show? It's literally the most fun ever.
You want to run in front of us?
Who wants? All right.
Run in front of us. Oh, you got it? You got a pistol, right?
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, fuck.
Let's go, let's go.
Tally ho!
Watch your side. Okay, come on. We gotta stay behind him. Stay behind him. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. No, I got you. I got you. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. I got you already. I did. Guys. We're on the same team.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's like a million of them that are right here not calling out. Yo. Hit.
He's right there. Bang, bang, bang. Yo, you guys are cheaters. They're not calling it.
Watch out.
Yo, guys, they're not calling it back there. Those guys. We gotta do something. They're not calling it. Dude, I'm out. Who's? No, they're not calling it.
Someone just throw me in the hand. I'm gonna shot my gun.
Like,
Yep.
red? Huh?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Where you wanna go? You wanna switch sides? Let's take this side.
Nobody's there.
Huh?
Shot me in the head.
You wanna take this side and then we'll push up?
Let's go.
We'll flank them.
Let's go.
Here, go ahead of me. Check the rooms, check the rooms.
Oh, all right. You okay?
Same team.
Our guys are all guys. We got a whole bunch of them right here.
Yeah, no, he's not here.
These are on?
Yeah. He does. Wait, is he?
Got one mag left.
Got one mag?
One mag left.
I got an extra if you need. High cap.
Yo.
Yeah.
Let them come up. Let them come up.
Let them come up.
Let them come up.
All right.
Come to us now. Let's go. Sit down. We'll have more fun.
Hit, hit.
Let's not let them dead up. Now let's give them a chance.
Now
I don't know if they got me dead on or it was like a ricochet, but it was like,
we're letting them push up so we can have more fun.
it was so weird. Take the bank over. There you are.
Somebody else take the shield.
We got them stuck against the wall. They're looking come to us. Let's go. Hey.
He deserves an award. All right. Which way you going? Which way you going? I'll go with you. I'll go with you.
Oh, we go down this way.
All right. I'm on you. Yeah. Oh no, that's us. That's us.
That's us?
Yeah. I feel bad though. I did shoot him once. Got your back.
This side.
This side. I got your back. Is it clear? Is it clear?
There's one guy right in church.
No. Oh, hit. Yo, you're too close. You're too close, man.
We're good.
You gotta sit. Come on. That's a little close. Just a little. He's shooting a little too close. That guy keeps doing the same thing.
Now push them back.
Huh?
Now they're going to come at us.
Yeah.
Have fun with them. Let them come in.
All right. But that guy is being he's shooting a little too close. He's been doing that a lot. We're at. See him?
Nope.
All right, let's keep going. Yeah. Wait, stay low. We got one up there. Stay low. You see him, right? Go. Stay low. I got a pin. Bang. Yeah. Because he was right there in that window. He's gone. He's right there. Oh. I got the guy in the black that came in here. Watch out, I see laser. Go ahead. You see him? He's straight down this hallway. Is it clear? Let me know so I'll go. Hit.
He's right there, right?
Yeah, there's a couple of them. Shit. You see all those guys in that town right there? There's a whole bunch of guys in that building right here. And they're shooting point blank, that's the thing. Like,
yeah.
I don't understand why. Why are they still shooting over here where it spawned? Those guys got you right there, right?
What?
Those guys got you right here, right? There's a whole bunch of them in here in the shooting point blank. I don't know why.
No, they're banging. They're banging.
No, because they keep, every time they come up to me, they gotta shoot me.
Some of them did, some of them are. I shot one of them by accident too.
Yeah. No, but
I don't think it's on purpose.
no, they're doing it multiple times to me.
Should we go right in the middle?
It's also hard to tell because this right here is not 10 feet from
Yeah.
to that wall.
True.
Whoa, I was feeling that in the corner.
Why are they still shooting at us like we're not at spawn? Alright, fuck it. Go out. Whoa. Wait, hold up, hold up. See him?
Hey, watch the left side, watch the left side, watch the left side. Are you out? Are you on my feet?
Okay.
I was friendly.